Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best tools for everyday needs. Today, we're going to talk about the Diyvac patented specialty wet vac attachment, the best HVAC drain line cleaner tool you can get your hands on. If you've been struggling with clogged AC drain lines and have been dreading the costly service calls, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. The Diyvac attachment is an innovative tool designed to help you clear your HVAC and AC drain lines quickly and efficiently. The great thing about this tool is that it fits most wet vac hoses, making it easy to use with what you already have at home. It's a simple, effective, and cost-efficient way to keep your AC condensate lines flowing freely, saving you hundreds of dollars a year in repair and maintenance costs. One of the standout features of this tool is the clear tube. The clear design allows you to see exactly what's coming out of the drain line, which gives you peace of mind knowing that the job is being done thoroughly. No more guessing whether the clog is cleared or not. The custom black elbow also features a ribbed design for added grip, making sure the attachment stays securely in place while you work. The Diyvac attachment is made from durable acrylonitrile butadiene styrene material, which is known for its strength and resilience, ensuring that this tool will last through many uses. Its design is compact, lightweight, and easy to store, making it a practical addition to your DIY toolbox. When you order this attachment, make sure your AC drain line has a 1-inch opening, as the tool is designed to fit that size. The attachment works best when used with a wet vacuum, which is something you likely already own. Simply connect the tool to your vacuum, place the elbow on the drain line, and let the suction do the work. It's an easy process that takes only minutes and can prevent you from dealing with bigger problems later on. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or someone looking to save on costly service calls, the Diyvac patented specialty wet vac attachment is an absolute game changer. It's affordable, practical, and highly effective at solving one of the most common issues with HVAC systems. Don't wait for a backup to cause bigger issues. Grab your Diyvac today and keep your AC running smoothly all year round. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews on the best tools to make your life easier. See you next time.